So class 12, in our previous video, we had seen some questions, some practice questions we have done. And now we will continue with some of the other questions. So there is a one question of our tree A, B, C, D, F, G, H. After C there is a E. And then the H. So first question is, name the parent of node E. Name the parent of node E. So what is the parent of the node E? So that is your C. So first question is, name the parent node of E. So the parent node of E is, your answer will be, parent node of E is C. So parent node of CE is C. Now post order tree traversal, write the post order tree traversal. That means we have to write the post order tree traversal of this tree. So in the post order we are having the order in which L, R, C. Left node, that is left subtree, right subtree, then your root. C is the root. Okay. So first we are having the left. So left is this one. That is your B, D, F, and G. Okay. Your left is B, D, G. It is visible now? Correct. So after that, again we will provide the left, right, and center. So what is the left of this? There is nothing is there in the left. So first we will discuss our right one. In right we will see D, F, G. In right it is written D, F, G. D, F, G. I had taken this question in the upper way. You see it here. After this we have one here. So this is the right one. In right also we are having again one subtree. So there also you will provide the LRC. So left is F. So your answer will be F. Left is F. Then right, that is your G. Then center D. Now you will see your D, G. This is done. Now come with this. D, F, G is done. So this your left we are not having. Right be done, then your center. So center is your B. B. Are you able to see the board? Yes, correct. Then it is a B. Correct, your B. After that, this is your left is done. When this is the root, A is the root, your left is completely done. So we will not include our left part. Left part is done. Then after that is your right. In right you will see C, E and H. Okay. Then C is the root, E and the L, G are the subtree. Okay. Now again we will see the left. There is a no left is there. So we will ignore the left because it is not there. After that we are having the right. So right is EG. There also you will see this is now root. This is the sub. So in the root or this is the child. So here also you will see LRC. So left is not there, right is H. So your H will become after H of center. Center is your E. Your center will become after that your C is done. If it is not having the left, right be done, center. So this is your C. Correct? So your left is also done, right is also done. Then after your C is there, that is the root. So A. So your answer will be F, G, D, B, H, E, C, A. In this way, your tree will be traversed in your post order. In your post order. This type of question will come in a 2 mark. Your tree the full question will come in a 5 marks that we are doing. ठीक है, जो अभी हम कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन वो आपको 5 मार्क्स में आएगा. That is first question. Name the parent of node E. 1 mark question. Second, name the post order traversal. we had done F, G, D, B, H, E, C, A. This is a 2-mark question. Another is internal node of tree. So what are the internal node of the tree? So internal nodes we will just ignore the last tree. That is जो आपकी सबसे लास्ट में जो नोड है हम सिर्फ उसको रिमूव करेंगे. And after that the tree that is left is your internal node. ठीक है? So I will just write it again. A, B, C. This is your D, F, G, E, then H. Okay. Now we have to write the internal nodes. Internal nodes, just ignore these all the child nodes. जो आपकी leaf node है, जो आपकी सबसे लास्ट में जो node है, that I call a leaf node. तो जो आपकी leaf node है, just ignore that nodes. And next is the answer of your internal node. That is A, B, C, D, E. This is your answer. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Next is the level of the root of the tree. So when we talk about the level or the height, they are the same. So the level of the tree, level of, I will say level of the full tree. So level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. So we are having the level 3. And if I say what is the level of root A? So what is the level of root A? At which level it is there? At level 0. So your answer will be 0. So level of root A is 0. Okay. Now the second question, one more question I am giving you as a homework that you will not do, I know, but then also I am giving those who want to take that question for a homework, they will take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, H and I. So the question first is root of the tree. First question is what is the root of the tree? Second, external nodes of the tree. External nodes of tree. Third, traverse in order traversal method by using the in order traversal tree. Fourth, left subtree. Left subtree. You have to draw the left subtree. Fifth, height of the tree. I told you height and the level are same. So you have to write the height of the tree. So this is the question for your homework. And in this question your marking is different. Root of the tree 1 mark, external node tree 1 mark, in order 1 mark, left subtree 1 mark, height of the tree 1 mark. Okay, if it is a 4 mark question, then your in order traversal will be of 2 marks. Okay. Now next question, convert the following infix notation to its postfix notation. Convert the infix notation to its postfix notation. So the infix is, I am just writing the infix, you have to convert into the postfix. E into F slash bracket G minus H into I plus J. Now remember one thing very clearly, when you are using the, when you are converting the initial to the postfix, just follow the bracket and your rule. So what is the first rule is, we have to solve the bracket. So E star F slash, first this we have to convert, so G H minus into I plus J. Okay. Now we are having the into, but we are having this bracket first. This is solved bracket. So this is your expression one expression ये हो गया. अब आप एक चीज ध्यान से देखिए, when we are using the bracket, so this bracket is your bracket in this expression will be there, and in this also we are having the divide and we are having the multiply. So they both are having the same priority, but those who come at the from left to right, we are just from left to right we are doing. So जो पहले आता है हम उसको पहले solve करेंगे. क्लियर है? जो पहले आएगा जिसमें सेम प्रायोरिटी के हैं, अगर वो पहले आता है तो पहले सॉल्व करेंगे, बट वी आर नॉट सॉल्विंग दिस बिकॉज दिस वी आर हैविंग द ब्रैकेट, तो पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे। सो E स्टार, so this is one expression, this is another expression, we are converting the postfix, so the operator will become at the last, so F then GH minus, this is the one expression, so GH minus, after that you are getting the operator. Now this is become one operand into I, then bracket plus J, so into I. Now this is one expression, this is another expression, they are enclosing in a bracket, so first this bracket will be solved. So E into F G H minus plus minus divide, this is a one expression, after that your I, then your operator, then plus J. Now you will see the plus is there, this is one expression now, this is plus, so this is multiply, this is plus, so we are having now two operator, so first we done with the plus or the minus, plus or the multiply, so which will be executed first? That is a multiplication having the large priority as compared to the plus. So the multiply will be first will be solved. So E one expression, another is this is a completely one expression. So GH minus slash I into. ठीक है? One expression is this, second expression is, and this is only one expression. Remember, I said this is the first expression. This is the one expression means this completely is now single expression. We will treat it. So into. Okay. After that this into will come. Okay, now this will become the complete single expression plus J. Now solve it. E F G H minus slash I into then your J then plus. Now this is the required answer, and this question will be there in your 2 marks or in a 4 mark. E F G H minus divide I into J plus. Clear? So this is the another question that we are getting in your exam from the chapter this one about tree, our data structure. ठीक है, जो हमारा data structure chapter आएगा, question आएगा. Now so next our question is one homework, one question I had given you in a homework. Now next question is write an algorithm for push operation in array based stack. So we know the array based stack, that means your stack that is done with the help of an array. ठीक है? And what is the meaning of the push? What is the meaning of the push? Or insertion. That means you have to insert the element. We have to insert the element, okay, in our array based stack, and your stack is following the LIFO, that is last in first out. It is following the last in first out. So suppose there is a one stack, ठीक है, there is a one stack and your top may be here, maybe this is your 0 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose your top is here, some element is there 6 8 10. ठीक है, आपका टॉप किधर है? Here. Okay, so we are having the two condition. If you are having the top at some place, we can easily insert the element. Okay, but suppose I will take the example. Suppose your top is not indicating any of the index number. If your top is not indicating any of the index number, that means your stack is empty. It shows that your stack is empty, and if your stack is empty, ठीक है, अगर आपका स्टैक एम्प्टी है तो हम क्या करेंगे? सिंपल, इफ योर स्टैक इज एट द टॉप -1, we will consider if your stack is completely empty, then we will discuss that top is your -1. Clear? So there is a no problem. We will write the same algorithm for it. But suppose your top is here, that is top is at the last index number of your array. ठीक है, जितने का भी हमने जो array बनाया है वो उसके last index number को indicate कर रहा है. And if it is indicating the last index number, what does it mean? That your stack is completely filled. So first the condition what you are going to write, if The first condition that we are going to write is if your top is equals to your size minus 1. Size minus 1, you will say 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having the 6, but the size is your 6. Okay, but the index number of last is 5. So if your top equals to size minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So अगर आपका top और आपका last index को indicate कर रहा है, that means we will write the message, we will print the message stack is overflow. We will write the message stack is overflow. Okay, we will write the message stack is overflow. Otherwise, so this is the first point, this is the second, third point. In your else is your third point. And what we are going to do in a else? In else, we are just suppose we are having the top not here, it is having suppose here. Okay, so how we will write the insert the element? Suppose here 9 and here 8. So if your top is representing your index number 1, so first we have to increase our index number 1 to 2, and our this is the top variable. So top will, what the top will do, it will increase the first your index number. So in else I will write top equals to top plus 1. Now your index number will become 2. Correct? And in that index number we are going to insert our elements. So fifth stack top, at the stack top just insert your element. Suppose that element is your n. Suppose that your element is n. So stack of top here just inserted the element n, and sixth exit. Okay. Or we just don't write the stack exit. The stack top equals to n. So in these 5 steps, this is our algorithm. This is called our algorithm. Okay. Every condition we have to check in our algorithm whether your element is going to insert or not. Now this is the question are you able to do, and this question will also come in your exam. But in that question it is written write an algorithm or a method. They will ask the two things, write an algorithm or a method. ठीक है, आपको एक algorithm या फिर एक method लिखने को आएगा. So this is your choice that what you are going to write, either the algorithm or the method. But this question will guarantee that you will get. But I am not thinking that only the stack or the insertion is coming. Maybe the deletion will come. Maybe the insertion can come in a queue, in a stack, in an array, in a tree. In a tree it will not come. Because from the tree part, you will get the only one question that is 5 marks. Okay, that I had told you and we had done also. Now another question that I am giving you in your homework. That is infix to postfix. Again we have to create, or I will give you the question from postfix to infix you have to create. From postfix to infix. So your postfix expression is A B C plus DE plus F into plus G divided. Convert this postfix expression to infix expression. Convert this postfix expression to infix expression. Okay? Convert this postfix expression to the infix expression. Now we are having all the questions here, infix to postfix and pre-order, post-order. So I think all the questions we had done in the 2 or 3 marks question. Now the 4 and 5 marks question we will do tomorrow in our video. Okay? And if you want the live class, just give me the timing, because before I had taken the one live class, but those students just edit there. That's why I am creating a video. But if you want the live class, just tell me the timing so that I can create. We are having one group. Already we are having a group. Just we will decide the time and there we will do it. This question. Okay. Till that, take care.